All right, Mr. Rodriguez, we're going to proceed and finish your matter. As I was telling you before we got sidetracked, you have the right to appeal. That right, you can demand that a higher court review the official record on your case for whatever legal objections or questions or challenges you may have. You'd have to be careful with the right of appeal because it can be very technical. You need to use the right forms, you have to use or provide the right information, and you have to be aware of time limitations that are involved. But there is such a right, the right to appeal. You understand that right, you have that right.
All from right there, right? Yeah.
Sí, entiendo.
Also, you have the right to demand that this proceeding be held in the open public courtroom. Because of the pandemic, we're not doing hearings in the open public courtroom at this time. But to proceed with your intentions or your plea, I have to, or you need to have signed a document called consent to video conference. That's the way this is being conducted. That right, you have it and the state has it. Each of you. Do you understand you have the right to demand an open public courtroom hearing?
Sí, sí, entiendo.
All right. Now, to proceed with this matter, it is also required that you review documents with your attorney and then sign them. The documents that have your signature in this proceeding, in this case, did you understand what the documents said?
Sí, sí, entendí.
Do you have any questions about the documents that you signed?
No.
Mr. Ramos, the documents that are part of this proceeding that bear the signature of Mr. Rodriguez, did you assist him and counsel him in reviewing those documents and signing the documents?
I did, Your Honor.
Do you believe that he understood the documents that he signed?
I do, Your Honor.
All right. Now, is Mr. Rodriguez a U.S. citizen?
He tells me he's got a travel visa, Judge.
Well, that's not the same thing. Mr. Rodriguez, are you a United States citizen?
No.
Mr. Ramos, as
Yes.
an officer of this court, have you taken the steps necessary to assure that Mr. Rodriguez has been fully informed about the consequences that may exist to his immigration status or deportability as a result of this charge?
I believe I have, Your Honor.
It's not very reassuring. Are you an immigration lawyer?
I am not, Your Honor.
Did you have or did anyone provide Mr. Adam Rodriguez with the counsel of an immigration lawyer?
I asked him to look for an attorney, Judge, and he said he was satisfied with the explanations that were given to him.
Adam Rodriguez, have you been given advice and or information from an attorney who knows immigration law?
Hey,
sir, everything's no.
I got the paper.
All right. This is really something today. because of the requirements of the Supreme Court case, Plea versus Kentucky, we're going to have to discontinue this matter at this time. I am ordering that Mr. Adam Rodriguez be provided the counsel of an immigration attorney. I have personally no doubt that what is going to happen with this charge, Mr. Ramos? What was the intent? He was going to plead to what?
This is going to be a JSAT judge. The ADA prosecutor in the felony court wanted him to plead guilty on this case. In return, he would reinstate the probation on the felony case.
And what is the felony case? What's the charge in there? Do you know?
I do, Judge. I'll just have to look it up. My computer's a little slow, Judge. I apologize.
Can you hear me?
Can you see it? Can you see it?
Your Honor, it's assault, family, second offense.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. And this is going to be a straight plea on this one, right, JSAT?
That is my understanding, Judge.
Right. I am requiring that he be given the assistance of an immigration attorney. Mr. Fernando Ramos, if you will obtain an immigration attorney to assist him, to briefly give him the counsel that is necessary. I personally have no doubt that if he pleads to this matter, which is the intention, he's going to be deported. I don't give a damn what he does. This is a crime involving moral turpitude. So I need for him to be fully made aware.
Understood, Judge.
In addition, the fact that he has family violence, he needs to be fully informed about that too, by the way.
Yes, sir.
You're not representing him on the felony, right?
I do.
You do?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ramos, you need to get that immigration lawyer.
I will.
Then the court will recess this matter, case number 667937, until my order is complied with in reference to Plea versus Kentucky.